come a day when you look back at this very moment. The cheers, the smiles, the tears, and you will realize this was the moment of your life you felt most alive. Ini ang ang face ang imo life, ang stage ang imo life, na mafe-feel mo nga, nag-enjoy ako na akong pagiging bata, na akong pagiging estudyante. Ini nga phase ang imo life, di mo may experience nga feeling mo buhi ka. Feeling mo everyday magbamata ka, happy, mauli tingnan eskwelahan happy. Tama ba? Happy ba? Oh, happy ko nung hira ma'am, di ka nga school. Upaya nga happy ha. Yes, this was one of the times you felt most alive. So go out there and make your mark. Be bold. Be fearless. Be kind. And never forget where you started. Because one day, people will tell your story too. And when they do, let them say, long live all the magic we made. And when the world asks who you are, stand tall and say, I am someone who did not give up. Long live your dreams, long live your courage, and long live the legacy you are about to create. Muli po, I am and will forever be proud to be Darcy Gabriel Bakaykay, daughter of a housekeeper mother and a fisherman father, the first board pastor in our family, the first dietitian in our community, and beyond any title, never ever underestimate the power of your dreams, no matter how small they may seem. Because one day, your story, just like mine, will become someone else's reason to keep going. And when that day comes, stand tall, look back, and say it with pride. I made it. Not just for myself, but for everyone who believed in me, and for those who are still learning to believe in themselves. Congratulations, graduates. Congratulations, class of 2026. Always remember, your future self and the world is waiting for you. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.
Once again, that was our guest speaker, Miss Darcy Bakaykay. Give her another round of applause, please.